This is the B9 Plus rectangular smartwatch. All kinds of controls for finding your phone, setting alarms, do not display mode, and more. You have your step count, distance traveled, and calories burned, last night's sleep time, which you can break up into light and deep sleep for analysis. All that's passed to the app, by the way. You can check it on there. You have heart rate monitoring built into it, as well as blood pressure monitoring. You have a variety of watch faces that you can select from, and an onboard music player. When tethered to your phone, it will play the music through the watch. Not only that, it supports Bluetooth calling. You have sports mode for a variety of different sporting activities. No GPS in this watch, but a good selection. There's your step count, heart rate, blood pressure, and sleep. You have your call capability where you can put in the phone number you want. You also have your contacts and your call log. Basic information, that's your pushed text messages from your phone. And you've got alarms, stopwatches, countdown timers, which you can set and will vibrate when it's done. And the music player, find your phone. You can set it up to notify you of female activity as well, remote photography, and overall basic settings with a lot of switches that you can turn on for continuous monitoring of your heart rate, blood pressure, set alarms, all of those different things. All in all, it's a really nice watch, rectangular in shape, good long battery life, removable bands. It's called the B9 Plus. Check it out.